this video is how to apply on the press-on nails. It's very, 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 very easy and straightforward. So in the package, you're going to get your press-on nail set, of course, and you're also going to get a nail prep kit. The nail prep kit includes 2 alcohol wipes, a wooden pusher, a wooden cuticle pusher, a nail file with 2 sides, a buffer with 2 sides, and then you're going to get some KDS glue. This is really, really good glue. I used this on myself and it's very, very durable. Before you do anything, please wash your hands. We want a clean surface, and also make sure that you don't have any nails on and that you remove any polish that was on your nails or anything like that. You want to take an alcohol wipe and just run through all of your nails just to get anything off. And next we're going to take our cuticle pusher, and you want to use the slanted side. And the purpose of this is to push your cuticles back. This helps with keeping the nails on longer. So the goal of this is to push that little piece of skin back, but also if you have any dead skin on your nails, then that can be lifted as well. And make sure that you do this very carefully. You don't want to injure yourself or anything like that, so just take your time. It only takes about maybe 10 minutes to put on some press-ons, but I'm going slow in this video just so that everything can be seen and things like that. So after doing that on all of the nails, this is what your hand should look like. Now we're going to take our nail file. It doesn't matter which side, but we're going to just round out and shapen up our natural nails, like on the free edge. So we don't want any nicks or cuts or anything like that. We want to make sure that it's smooth around the way. So now your hands should look like this. So now we're going to either take, well, you can take your file or you can use your buffing block, and we're going to buff the surface. The point of this is to take the shine off of your natural nails, and again, this helps with the longevity of your nail set. You can use the file, but it's a little bit more abrasive. It's kind of, I would understand why it's hard to move around, especially since the nail file is so small. So I would definitely recommend the buffing block. It's just easier to grip, and you're just going to run that all over your nail bed and make sure that you don't see any shiny surface.
I was trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and fish up. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn.
Now for the fun part. So we did our nail prep. Now we need to basically glue them on, but with your nail prep, make sure that you are thorough. Inside of the press-on nail, you're going to see a dull looking part of the surface and then a shiny part of the surface or inside of the press-on nail. You want to put the glue on the dull part of the inside of the press-on nail. If you need to, before applying the glue, try moving around your press-on nail so that you know how to flip it. You would want to flip it quick or do it quick so that you can press it on. You don't want to wait too long because then the nail glue will dry. So You're going to take your glue and you're going to snip off the tip part. But I would recommend tapping it on a surface before you do that. You don't want the glue to be splattering everywhere. So a little tip, put a dot of glue on your natural nail. That helps. And then you're going to take the opposite hand and you're going to put some nail glue on the dull part of the nail. Flip the nail over and press it down. When you press it down, make sure that it is straight. You don't want a crooked nail. So when you press it down with some force. You might see a little glue come out of the sides. That's fine. You can wipe that off at the end, or after it dries, you can take it off. And yeah, just press it down for like 10 seconds. You also want to press down the sides of the nail so that the glue is everywhere, but hold it down, okay? Add pressure. And you want to do that for the rest of the nails. Also, I wanted to add that glue is a high possibility that glue can get everywhere. When you're adhering on your nails, you can take the pointy edge or the slanted edge of the wooden pusher, and you can separate your skin from the glue and the nails and things like that. Throughout this part, you will see me separate my skin from the glue, and it doesn't hurt or anything. It feels more comfortable when you do this, because if you don't, it feels tight and it feels like you can't move. It's not flexible. So you want to make sure that you do this. The goal is to have comfortable, functional nails. Also, with glue getting everywhere meaning on the skin, you want to wait until it dries. At the end, you can get some nail remover or acetone or whatever, and you can wipe it off. Or you can wait until it dries and you can peel it off. I just wait until it dries and I just peel it off. So when I do my press-ons, I like to press them down, but then I go back in and just squeeze my hand again. Just press it down some more, because I just want to make sure that it's on and sturdy. And this is the part where you want to squeeze the sides as well, just to make sure that they are on. This is what they look like. I'm banging my hand on the table. I'm trying to make sure they are sturdy and secure, in which they are. Again, it's all about your nail prep, meaning the more thorough you are, the longer it will stay. And also, I have tips and recommendations on my website, like things to avoid, and so that your nails can last longer. But you see, I'm bending my nails. They are not budging, y'all. But again, thank you so much for supporting my business, and I hope that this video helped. All right, bye y'all.